Hello coders, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the AI desktop voice-based assistant using Python. So user have to give the command.
जोक सुनाओ.
Okay, then it will process and it will give the output like they explaining the joke. Okay, like that you can give another command
मैप दिल्ली.
and the model will process and it will give the output like this is the Delhi map.
डिस्टेंस उत्तर प्रदेश.
Okay, now I'm just giving the distance, so it will open the complete map of distance.
मेरा आईपी एड्रेस.
Just like that you can give the command and the model will work.
सर्च करो टेंसर फ्लो.
So you can give any command like I'm just giving the TensorFlow and it will give the brief explanation.
ओपन टास्क मैनेजर.
Okay, we have opened the taskbar and this is the complete project. Okay, if you're in doubt then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.